Yo, stop.
I don't want to see you throw up though.
He's just burping. He's just burping.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What the?
Yo, I kid you not.
Classic.
Dude, it all came out when I was right there. I swear to
I
God.
saw it.
That was actually like.
I saw
I don't
like,
even know
there
why
was
I was so
like,
funny.
there was like at least a handful of.
Oh my god, dude.
You know what we could do? We could neuter him, put his balls in like a glass container and show him it every time he's bad. Remind him what he's lost.
He's still waiting. He's still waiting there. He's still.
They're stacked on the mini map. It's crazy.
I got this. I'm in phase for a reason.
That fish is gone. I killed an innocent fish. I don't give a f. I'm gonna kill Milo next. Facts or no? I'm gonna kill that little. That dog thinks shit's.